Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with a Samsung Galaxy A17 5G Android phone, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can set the camera to save any newly recorded videos or pictures straight to the SD card by default. So it's real simple to do, just follow the steps that I'm about to show. So open up the camera application and then select those four little pins there. And here you will see the little settings icon. Go ahead and select it. And then it will bring you into the camera settings. Simply scroll down. And where it says storage location, by default it's set to internal storage. All you have to do is just select SD card. So now the SD card will be the default storage location. So anytime you record a new video or take any new pictures, they will automatically save to the SD card. Anyway, that's it for the video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up if it helped you out. Share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next one. Deuces.